Hey, this is Creative Tipsters. I'm Corey Forster, and welcome. I'm gonna show you a video. It's by popular demand. People want to know how I am creating videos that I'm creating, so I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown. One thing I want to point out is I'm using this X recorder, as you can see on the top here, and one thing that is really awesome is it shows me how many gigs I have available, and then it shows me how long I can actually record for. I wish all my software was like that. My recording software. Um, if you know of any like other software that has this and is a good tool to use, if you buy it outright, it doesn't have to be Adobe, but I'm probably gonna end up going with Adobe with the amount of stuff that I do. So, yep. Anyways, let's get to this. So what I'm using here is this is what I'm using to show you this video right now. Make this video, and you can find that in the App Store. It's absolutely free. Everything I'm showing you is free, 100%. Now, this is what I'm going to show you. So now, when I have art and like my art, see, like stuff like this, to create stuff like this. Oh yeah, man, whoops, it doesn't take much. So I'm just gonna quickly go in here and give some people some props here. All these people here, they do a lot. Like every single one of them are very, very supportive. Like you're gonna see like Wolf Walks Alone. Oh, blessed by Thy Will. Sorrow's Art. Like awesome. Like they're like I don't know where to start. Like Debbie Ingram, right here. Sorry, yeah, this one. Oh, sorry. So I'll say it. It's like she's right up at the top. That Deb's acrylic art. Like so supportive. And she's in so many groups. It's not even funny. Yeah, just so many of these people are really, really supportive. Ayla Dropco here. That's my cousin. She's got like this. I believe it's a business with like healing oils and rocks and incense and different things. You'd have to check her out. She's awesome. Uh, Actually, at one point in time, I was like a house nanny and took care of her house for a bit. Um, Almost every single one of these people, when yeah, there's Sorrow's Art right there at the top. Blessed by the Will at the very top. Wolf Walks Alone at the very top. Oh, Shelley Snyder art at the very top. Where's that other guy? That Christine Studios right there, and that this one right here. Oh man, there's some funny stuff that John Lane Lane. And then Wee Mitch, 1975. He's got some nice art. Yeah, micro logic, logica, logica. I don't know how to say that. Whatever. Yeah, he's pretty cool. It's just yeah. Pawns for fun. I mean, I grew up with that. I grew up with her. She's a little bit older than me. That's my aunt right there. This guy's pretty cool to talk to. Somebody's okay, Tracy, right here, right at the very top, that Fluid Drips by Tracy. She's really supportive. Once again, like we're there's like a couple of them come from an art group that they all kind of like just hover to because I made a policy of like no negativity. Like a lot of them, they just didn't even really want to show their art. At the very top here, you see, okay, Alien God, he's got some really, really cool stuff. Neutral style art. He's actually helping me. He's helping me. He's promoting a promoter. Like this is a promoting account, and it's also I do prizes and giveaways on my account here. This micro lower is pretty good. Tracy 1611R. Yep. Uh, Beautiful, beautiful woman, awesome woman, and that's actually that's my girlfriend. She sent me a picture. She said, "Okay, let me see the video before you put it out, and I'll check it out first, see if it's okay." Which I know it's gonna be okay. She's got a smoking blonde. You're gonna see in a second. Like she's hot to trot. And then new person. Oh, she just messaged me. I said thank you for your support, appreciation, and your kindness. She said you're welcome. I mean it. Okay, with a lot of question marks or sorry, exclamation marks. It's like, stop yelling at me. No, it's all good. I don't care. But no, like for instance, somebody like her, it's just like once you follow or they follow, it's like they go like, and the reason why they do that is simply because when you go to my page, you're gonna see stuff. So this is what I'm gonna this like I said, this is what I'm gonna show you how to do. This one goes back and forth, but this I do this because I don't want to do poor like sell art. Okay, people that are artists like me that do art that takes a lot of time, like. Okay, this was like this right here from labs, you know, but no, see, this is promoting. So this is my art right here. Okay, this is just a corner of something I made, and this takes me like layers and layers and layers and hours and hours and hours. So I mean, to keep people engaged, what do? I make those fractal videos, or I make these, and but even to make that first, just the first, I use Pixel Labs for this. I'll get into this, and I'll also get into the Deep DreamWorks app as well. These things are all free. I didn't pay a dime for anything. So yeah, just you can create stuff like that yellow picture or whatever down there that I said you can create with a mirror. That's what I created here, and like I'm just showing you this is what you can do with the Mirror Labs. Like this is awesome. It's like 3D art. You can get like just the wildest looking things. You know, you could just take a picture of your art and then make it look like water. You know what I'm saying? Like right at the yeah, no, it's wild. So I'm going to show you how to do some of this right now. I'm going to go into it. Okay, so you're going to want to get Mirror Labs. This one right here. Click into it, and we're going to go to gallery. I'm going to go down and find my girlfriend's picture. Whoops. Okay, I don't know what the heck happened there. Here, let's just go back into it. I don't know what I did. Here. Okay. There we go. This is me just doing a bunch of stuff with my girlfriend's picture. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, so this is my girlfriend's picture. And what I did was I already used Mirror Labs to make I use that mirroring right at the bottom there. The first one, or the second one, I should say. So, to save it, I could, it's kind of like shaded up top, but you can push that. I could just save the image, but I already have it saved. So I want fractal art, right? Now check this out. So I'll go to fractal art. Boom, it just makes it a fractal. Right? Now, it's really busy. There's a lot going on here, right? Looks like a lot. You know, there's a lot going on. So we're going to do, oh, I pushed the wrong one there. Sorry about that. What I'm going to do is, there's a count on this, right? So I'm at power 2. Just remember where you're at, because you can do different things and be like, okay, maybe I want to start there. So it's like, I could go, where's the middle? No, there ain't no middle. But anything you do throughout this process, like there's bookmark at top. So you see how there's a bookmark, right? If you repeat, so here, I'll just go back to 2. So this was 2. See? If you get, yeah. So anyways, basically what I'm going to do is we're just going to go way down in here. But see how the count, oh man, it's just too much. So we're going to go to a place. There's not too much. And we can go right down into it. So now what I do is I'm gonna hit on bookmark. So I'm just gonna click that bookmark. It says bookmark added. So now anything I do from now on, whenever like I move anywhere or do anything, from here to the next bookmark, it will create a video. So I'm gonna make 3 bookmarks. So like just like this, like anything I do. So what I do, and then I'll just make more fractals. So we'll just use this little like nook right here. We'll just get into this, and then Just show you. Now, once you go down so far or it gets too busy, I'm only using my phone. So, what am I saying? Well, when we go down so far, it's going to start to look like pixelated, right? Because we're just 720 here. But you can still go down pretty far. Like, that's what I mean. Like, this is amazing. So, just going to bookmark that. So, we got 2 bookmarks added. I'll check this out. Go like this. Then, let's see if I can get, oh, where's her picture? I want to just get the one picture. Okay, my cat wants me to let him in, so I gotta try to do this fast. Where was it? Oh, we're getting close. We're getting close. Oh, where was that? He's just meowing now. Let me in. He's like an Arctic cat. Yeah, he's wanting to get in. Okay, whoa. Where is it? Oh. Oh no, I pushed back. Oh well. Oh no. Okay, anyways. Here. This will be easy. I'll just show you this one here. Okay, so here we'll do something neat here. We'll go. Okay. Here we go. Now, are you ready for this? So, I'll just bookmark this right here. And remember, anything you do. Oh my goodness. Oh man, my cat is such a whiner. Like, oh, he's crying wolf. So even that black, like everything that showed up there. So look at that. Like, use it. Oh man, she got nice breasts. That's all I gotta say. Woo. But yeah, so you can just keep doing this, keep doing it till it looks like, you know, something like, oh wow, DMT. Okay. Now I got 3 bookmarks. So I go to video and it shows me 1, 2, 3. Sure. Easing in and out of it. No, it's gonna be a larger file size, but I want to loop it back and forth. If I loop it back and forth, it would be way more fast. And because of how much we just changed it, it probably won't look good. So it probably look better without looping back and forth. But you can loop this back and forth and put it out on TikTok, and things like this look amazing. So it just shows you. So for free version, I can't put the bit rate up. I can't put the duration up. Ooh, I could. Ooh, nice. So I can put the duration up. Nice. The resolution's maxed out. Bit rate. Oh wow. Oh, I can. Let's do it. Create. Oh, that's good. So when it you're gonna see here in the background. See how it's slowly moving? See that? That's what the video is gonna look like. Like, that's how fast the video is gonna look like. It's gonna move, and you're gonna see it. It's gonna just boom, just change really fast. It's gonna go from that. It's gonna go through everything I did, but it's not gonna, like, you know how, like, I might have stopped and talked. It doesn't matter about that. When it says like how does it ease into it or ease in and out of it, you know? And then it's gonna ask you at the bottom. You want to see it? Yep, sure. Let's see the video. So it shows you full screen. Just want to see where I'm at. Video recording. But yeah, isn't that awesome? Now let's see what it would look like. Sure. Well, wait. We'll save first. Save it. Now let's see what it will look like. We use the exact same ones. So we'll go 1, 2, 3. Actually, wait, you know what? Yeah, let's start. You know what? Because it slows down. It's slow at the very start. So you know what? I want 1, 2, 3, and then the easing, and then I want to loop. Let's see what it will look like looped. Put the bit rate up. We'll put. Come on. Okay. Create. And that's how easy it is. I mean, and trust me. And when I say, oh, that's how easy it is, in the free version, this is probably the most This is probably the most hardest one to come up with. You could have fun in this Mirror Labs for hours and hours and hours. In fact, like there, just right when you get in, you can hit the menu. You can hit the settings menu right when you come into here, and it right in there it says tutorials. You hit that, it instantly brings you to YouTube where you're seeing this right now, and or wherever you're seeing this video, and it's going to automatically take you to I believe the creator, and show you how to use this and teach you just like I did. Except there's no. So I'm going to show you the video. See the video? Show video. So this is going to go back and forth, back and forth. Now, the only thing is when you watch the tutorial, there's nobody sitting there explaining it to you. And also, I'm just saying, like, this is what I do to keep my audience engaged with me in between me posting my actual art. And I never actually put my full art online unless it's in my art gallery and unless I got the whole thing watermarked and time stamped and everything. So yeah, and nobody can crop it basically. And if that sounds something like you want to find and you don't want to be like a needle in a haystack or have to pay certain like percentages off of whatever, yeah, just contact me. You can find me like here, just message me or whatever. Any like check the below here for any details to where I am, where you can find me, and yeah, and where you can find other people that I'm promoting because they're great people. You can talk to them, you can ask them, like they'll show you how to do whatever. Like if you like what their art is or whatever, just ask them, and these people will tell you right away exactly how they do everything, just like me. And that's what we're all about. Nothing's really that original. I mean, there's certain things that are right on the precipice of being original, but there's still a great more than a handful of people that are doing this cutting edge original stuff. And I'm not talking about this, I'm just talking about in real life with art. And those people, they don't care. They'll tell you. They still know that there's still like more people than you can count on your hands and toes that are doing this, and it ain't no secret. Okay, it's out there. So anybody that's like, oh, I don't want to tell you because I worked hard to get this to this place and blah blah blah, and I don't want you to just be able to take yeah, don't waste your time with those people. Those people they got their heads so far up there, that you don't want to waste your time. So yeah, this video's gone way too long, so it's time for me to sign off. So I'll say ciao for now, and I'll talk to you later. Hopefully, you got something out of this. Hopefully you liked it, and you can stop reposting other people's stuff and make your own stuff. So yep, have fun. And especially with everybody sick right now, everybody's staying indoors, or you got to stay away from people. This is the kind of stuff that can, keep you busy for hours. All right. Have a good one. Bye for now. Ciao for now.